Let's draw a friendly donkey. First, draw the donkey's head. Then add an oval muzzle. Great! Draw a charming smile on its face. Beautiful! Now draw a long ear. And then another one. Good job! Draw its neck and its mane. And now, draw its body, a big oval. First, 2 legs. And then 2 more. Perfect! Draw a tail with a switch. Terrific! What a nice-looking donkey you have made.